Please note, this is just a guide to aid with assembly of your new roof bars. Your instructions should be referenced throughout, and there will be differences between car makes and models. Check your parts against the instructions provided. Step 1. Slide the captive fixing towards the end of the bar. Using 2 bolts per bracket, secure to the captive fixing. Leave the bolts loose so the bracket can move. Step 2. Install the fitting kit specified for your vehicle as per the DriveDen website. Don't fully tighten the bolts, the bracket should move freely. Step 3. Locate and open the 4 bracket covers. Give the area a quick wipe to remove any dirt. Step 4. Place the bar assembly on the roof of the car and lower the brackets into their fixing locations. Step 5. Ensure this gap is equal and the bars are centered on the vehicle. Step 5A. Tighten the 2 bolts on each bracket. Step 6. Tighten the bolts securing the brackets to the roof bar. Final step. With a key in the barrel, ensure the gold tab is at the top and insert into the cover. Turn the key to ensure this tab is vertical. Turn the key clockwise to lock and secure the cover in place.